ongoing series of DApp sites and apps. This one is special because I know a lot of the legends are in different locations other than the United States, and I was searching for an option for them to be able to off ramp. And of course, if there was the ability to on ramp, that's even better. And I found Guardian or Guardarian, however you want to pronounce it. Anyhow, we're going to take a look through it, and hopefully it's something that you can use or utilize to help you become your own bank, and you have 100% total control of your funds. Let's take a peek. Okay, now with Guardarian, it's the best place for over 400 different crypto. Zero extra cost, fast and friendly verification. You know that I'm going to check for that. And then there's 5 different payment options. Of course, you can buy and sell crypto on and off ramp, business exchanges, and the crypto card. We're going to discuss all those. Now, being able to buy and sell crypto, of course, you want to have that kind of ability. You could choose crypto, pick the coin, swap it, and then get your crypto right to your wallet. The off ramp integration. Now, you do have the ability, if you have your own personal site or something like that, you have the ability to add this to your site as well. Of course, if not, then you just go out to their website and sell your crypto and put it into your wallet. The G card, which is their debit card, worldwide, global, and a lot of the major current cryptos are supported. Of course, you want to ensure that if you're going to use USDT, ensure that it's on there. If you're going to use BNB or BUSD, whatever you want to use to do your transactions, that's what you want to ensure that is available. Okay, let's go take a peek. Let's shrink this up here. All right, now, so of course you can buy, sell, you can go through here and see euro is totally different. So especially for the legends that are in Europe, hey, to utilize it. This is just a different option. So we're going to scroll here and you can see, we'll call out the Swiss franc, the Australian dollar, the yen, the Bulgarian leve, Filipino, Argentine peso, the Malaysian ringgit, all types of things there. So whatever you pay and want to pay with, then you can convert it to or purchase Bitcoin, of course, Monero, She's USDC, Stellar, there goes Shiba. Oh my goodness, Pancake Swap. You can even get Cake on BSC. Oh my goodness. I thought I just saw BUSD. There goes BUSD right there. Let's see. So USDT. There goes our USDT on BTC, Arbitrum, Matic. Jeez, there's so many different options here. Because USDT, that's Tether on Binance. So now you have the ability to take your fiat wherever you are, convert it to crypto. Let's see. I don't know. That's what I wanted to check. XRP. Oh, Suki now. If you didn't know, you better ask somebody. Okay, enough said. Let's see. Let's try one more. XLM. Oh, it is there. Outstanding. That's legendary right there. Okay, let's continue on. Cash out your crypto. So now you've made profit. You want to cash out. Now you're going to go from crypto to whatever your country's funds are. And that's it. Withdraw crypto by simple bank transfer. So you're going to send some blankety blank BTC over, and you're going to get this much in euro. So this is really going to benefit those that are overseas more than, because I guess we have Sprits to use, but this is just another one that for most of the legends that are overseas can utilize until Sprits gets there. And once Sprits gets there, then you just have 2 at your disposal. Okay, we'll check here. This is the crypto card, global purchases with all major cryptos. Issue the G card in our app. And you get a 20 euro bonus after you activate. Now, what I see is that they have both the virtual card, and the physical card. See the user interface, of course, all wallet supported. Shoot, got cash back already 1%. Secure payments. You can order it in Europe and get it worldwide. So this is even better for you because we already have Spritz. So for everybody else, you can get it, especially for folks in Europe. Worldwide ATM, generous monthly limits, and pay how you want. On crypto payment, get your G. Okay, see, so right here, choose your ideal G card. You can either get the plastic card or you can have the virtual card. Now there is a monthly fee, €3 a month for both. Transaction fees, no. Daily limit, €15,000. That's the same here. So the virtual card, there's no ATM disbursement fee, no daily withdrawal limit. That's the same. Top up fee, 0.5%. Cashback, 1%. Foreign currency exchange fee, 2.5. So if you're living in Europe and you're paying your bills in euro, there shouldn't be no foreign currency exchange because you're not changing any currency for it. You're going to pay with euro. So like I say, you have the physical card you can hold in your hand and go into the store and swipe it, or you can use it online. Perfect. And then, of course, go ahead and order your card. You can download the app, activate the card, keep on moving. Of course, we already saw that you can buy and sell all the different cryptos in here, and the list goes on and on. Oh, look at the long list. I'm not going to waste you legends' time. You can go in here. Like I say, if this can be of service to you and just give you another option, take a look at it. Like I said, I don't give no kind of type of financial advice. I'm just here ensuring that the legends have different options. Of course, if you have a business and you want to integrate it, that's on you. Trusted by the best. Then there's revenue tools. There's a widget to API, business to business exchange, and of course the crypto cards. The Guardarian here, the frequently asked questions. We know what it is. Do exchange, the basics, the wallet. Where is the exchange? Can I refund the issue? Here we go. KYC. Let's see. Crypto market is subject to several certain rules and regulations which make it mandatory for most crypto services to have an AML or KYC procedure implemented. Guardarian strives to protect our clients from any type of scams and fraudulent activities in the crypto world. One of the ways to enable us to do so is through the KYC procedure. This procedure confirms the absolute legality of the transactions carried out by you before the regulatory institutions. So you confirm that you are a law-abiding citizen and the state has no reason to address any claims toward you. Then you see they ask for your phone number. How can you verify your ID, your proof of ID, which is your passport, your national ID, resident permit, driver's license can all be used. And then how long does it take? Most very, just say a few minutes to a few hours. So like I say, if this can be of use to you, you don't mind doing a little bit of KYC, go for it. Then how to become a partner, how do you collect commissions and all that kind of stuff. Now, of course, the off-ramp. They had the step-by-step how you can off-ramp. We're right here. How to cash out your crypto. Boom, you can't get it no easier than that. You just sell what you want to sell, convert it to, and you're good to go. And of course, this is the regular website. So just wanted to bring this to the attention of the legends, just like I say, to give you another option to be able to off-ramp your crypto. Because like I say, you make all your profits and everything in drip and everything in the animal farm, but you want to be able to pay bills or whatever. In the meantime, until Spritz gets there, you can use the Guardarian. Of course, like I said, with the card. So then you can buy and sell your crypto. You have the on and off ramp straight to your bank account. It's available worldwide, and you have a physical and a virtual debit card. So if you can use it, use it. Like I say, I don't offer no type of financial advice. I'm just here showing options. And as always, this for informational and educational purposes only. This is never intended as any type of financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to provide edutainment and everything that pertains to Guardarian that can be beneficial to the legends and pure edutainment. So all I need for you to do now is just please like, share, comment, subscribe, If you have any questions, hey, ask or go out to the Guardarian website. I'm sure that the link will be in the description. And so please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And to all of my legends, engage.